Hey everyone! Today I'm quickly reviewing the LIFEMAGIC M99 electric dirt bike and telling you if it's worth your money. Right off the bat, this bike is aimed at riders who want a quiet, low-maintenance off-road experience without dealing with gas or heavy upkeep. The acceleration feels surprisingly punchy for an electric model in this price range, and it handles dirt trails and light hills pretty well. Build quality is decent, though not premium. You can tell it's designed more for fun riding than hardcore racing. Battery life is okay for short trail sessions, but don't expect all-day riding unless you plan your charge brakes. Suspension does a solid job absorbing bumps, and braking feels responsive and safe. So, is it worth it? If you're a beginner or casual rider looking for an affordable electric dirt bike, yes, it's a solid buy. But serious riders may want more power and range. Let me know your thoughts below in comments.